Hello, my name is Diego. I'm the creator of the PC Commander skill that helps you control your computer via your Amazon smart device. There are a couple of prerequisites to make this happen, which I imagine most of you already have. Push to run, which I already have pre-installed, a Python installer, and the project files for the voice to type project that I created. Let's start with Python, because that installer takes a while, so let's get that out of the way. So I've pre-downloaded it, but if you don't know where to get it from, you get it from python.org/downloads. And that website looks like this. Let's hit this download button, it downloads this, double click. The only thing I suggest is to check this add Python exe to path and then install now regular. Right, and we'll just let that go on the side while we continue. I guess we'll also download this just to be ready. So I already have this website open. Actually, here, how to push to run. And you get the project files from, I really should make it easier to find, but you get them from here. This is the GitHub. Download the zip. Okay, it's downloaded. All right, if you haven't already, I will show you how to connect your push to run to your Pushbullet account. It's fairly easy, so let's get that done. I'm going to sign in with my account. We're going to go to Settings, Account, Create Access Token. We'll take that, copy that access token. Now in Push to Run, we'll go to File, Options, Pushbullet, Enable, paste the token here, and in the title you have to have from Alexa. This information is covered in this pccommander.net/how-to/push-to-run in these 5 steps. Once you've done that, you click OK, and now you've connected your push-to-run account to your Pushbullet. Next, we need to connect our PC Commander skill to push-to-run. So, continuing on the phone, following the link in the email you get, you will open it on your phone, which will open your Alexa app to this very page. You click Enable to Use, and then you click Settings, and you will perform the account linking by clicking Link Account. If you're not already signed in, you'll have to choose your account and sign in. Since I'm already signed in on my phone, I just click Approve, and there, the account linking is done. Now we can say, open my computer. These next automations tell my computer to set the volume. These won't work yet because we haven't set up push to run, but we can try the one that's pre-configured, the Open Notepad, and test that out. So let's go ahead and do that. Alexa, tell my computer to open Notepad.
Opening Notepad.
Perfect. Let's open the logs. And we can see it received Open Notepad, which triggered this, which opens Notepad and then types hello world. Great. Let's close that. All right. So we've connected PC Commander to Pushbullet. We've connected PC Commander to Pushbullet, and Pushbullet's connected to Push to Run. Great. We have this bit. Now the actions. What's next? Install now. Let's see if the installer is complete. Yes, it is. Let's open a new PowerShell instance. I have it shortcutted here. To verify that it's installed and it's added to your path, you can type Python dash capital V for version. Great. If we didn't get an error and we see a version number, then it's fine. We need to also install a certain module that's required for this to work. And you'll find this in the GitHub repo. Pip install PyInput. This is the module that allows it to simulate key presses. Looks like I've already installed it previously for my testing. Pip list. Yep. If you install a fresh version of Python, it may prompt you to update pip, which is not required, but you can do it if you want. Okay, now for the type projects. We downloaded the zip, now we need to extract it. For the purposes of this demo, I've pre-configured some files to work with this path. So we're going to go backslash make directory, just paste that there. cd scripts, Python. So extract the folder contained within the zip to the local folder. So let's do that. Take that, copy that, and go to scripts, go to Python, paste, and let's rename this to type. You can name it whatever you want, but these example cards that I have here have this path configured. So if you'd like to change it and you still want to use these push to run cards, then you'll need to change the path in there. Okay, so now let's test it. So cd type, now we're going to say Python, type.py, and press start. This should open our start menu. And it does. Great. Now we're going to use the -v for verbose. That means it will type out exactly what you type in here, except for capitalizing the first letter in every sentence. So we'll say hello world, and we're actually going to give it a little timer. Sleep 2. Sleep 2 just means wait 2 seconds before doing this. So that way we'll click here. So press enter, and then click here, and it'll say hello world. Great. So type works. Move on. Now import open and close cards, import included project cards. So we're done with this. Let's just minimize that for now. Let's open a new one. And I'll show you that the cards that I provide, if you're familiar with the JSON format, that's what this is. It's a list of objects, and these describe what the cards are. I'm going to also include from how-to/push to run these two cards, the open and close. Now I think it's because of the setup that I have, comma, enter. Because I'm using a Windows Sandbox environment, the open doesn't work as expected, but in my normal installs, it always works just fine. So as you see, I added the open card, which listens for open something, and it just runs that. So if you say Notepad, it'll open Notepad. If you say CMD, which we're going to use for our examples, it'll open CMD, the command line. And close is a short PowerShell script which stops the process. That one's, used with caution. So we add those two to these type, this P2R, save that. And now we take this and drag this here. And now they've been imported. So we have open, close or exit, play, full screen, and play. All of these are using scripts, Python type, and that is where we have scripts, Python type, and it's in this folder. Okay. If you choose to put the type project files in a different path, then you'll need to edit this in a notepad file, any text editor, and change the path on each of these cards. Okay, what's next? Test them out. I'll show you quickly that this doesn't work. I'm not sure why. We'll see an error down here. So we'll just do this part manually. Let's see. PC Commander, test them out. Okay, let's go. Let's view the logs. They were open. Right, now we will use the PC Commander skill by saying, Alexa, open my computer.
Hi, Junk. Try saying press plus something else.
Open CMD.
Opening CNBC.
Okay, whatever. Type hello world.
Typing hello world.
Press enter.
Pressing enter.
Type exit, enter.
Typing exit enter.
Press alt tab.
Pressing alt tab.
Close CMD.
Closing CMD.
Goodbye.
Okay, I'll be here if you need me.
And that's it. There you go. That is how to connect your PC Commander to your Pushbullet and install Python and import the cards such that now you can say, Alexa, tell my computer to something, something, something. I hope this helps. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments. And thanks for watching.